Hi, how you doing? Yep, if you're here, this is where you're supposed to be. It's eighth grade art, and while we're not meeting in person right now, either on the computer in person, we're still starting because it's the first day of our semester together. So, I'm Mrs. Shimko. A lot of you I haven't seen for almost a year. Some of you I've never met, I've never seen at all. And I'm really looking forward to our first class when we can touch base and I can hear your voices because I do want you to participate. And I can get to know your personalities and see where you are. One of my favorite years is generally eighth grade because you're just more adults now. You think different things, you focus on different things. You have less of that crazy sixth grade energy and more of that, yeah, I'm just about in high school thing going on. And I'm looking forward to getting to know you again. But what does that look like in art class? Well, today in art class, it looks like doing the work. In fact, every day in art class, it means doing the work. If you want to do well, I'm asking no different than I would require in brick and mortar. Show up, participate, do your work. We're going to be researching things, choosing things, doing creative exercises, making art. And some of it's going to be up to you what you decide to do with that. But I hope you do everything. So today, let's do the thing. The thing today is two-part. Part one is like a circle question, a check-in, a get to know you. It's right down there. You can check it out if you want to. There's two puzzle pieces. The first one says check in. And that's where you're going to use your video camera and tell me three things about yourself. One of them is your name. And the other one is something you're interested in looking forward to in art. And the third thing is your choice. I know, sometimes video cameras don't work. And so there's an option to write your answer if you need to. But if your camera works, these answers, they're just between you and me. Use the video camera. It's faster. The other thing right below the check-in is your other assignment for today. I know that you've already been on Schoology for half a year already. And we're going to be using Schoology in many of the same ways that you have in your other classes, but maybe one or two different ways. So I want to get a sense of what you know and what you don't know, what you're struggling with, what you're not struggling with. And I also want to give you a chance to look at the Art Schoology page, see what's here, check things out. So there's 5 questions in the scavenger hunt, and they either ask you a question that you have to answer, or they give you a task that you need to do. If it's a task, then do it. If it's a question, then find the answer and then put the answer in. There's multiple times that you can submit it because I know sometimes you start something, you look at the question, you need to go find the answer, you come back, it's fine. But remember to submit your final responses. If you don't submit it, you don't get a grade. In fact, you do. Your grade is just a 0. So why waste time with something like that? Do the work. If you have any questions, send me a text on Teams, send me an email. My email's right there listed below. And I look forward to seeing you during our first official class. By the way, tomorrow, Wednesday, when we would normally be asynchronous, I'm having a check-in time. So be there. Art class, Wednesday, check in. And then the first official class the following week. Okay, folks. Bye.